Our rooms are decorated with a beautiful ceiling fan. But many times these lights become ineffective or damaged, which cannot be easily replaced. Because we know that not all ceiling fans are the same brand product. So to make light kits interchangeable, you have to rely on its brand or model. Usually, some ceiling fan companies or brands make light kits that are lighter or thinner, so the lights of other brands are not adjusted. For example, Hunter and Casablanca and some other ceiling fan companies make thin light kits. But thanks to the companies or brands that make truly universal light kits. So our expert team encourages you to use these brands. For example, a craft-made ceiling fan company makes a universal light kit, so you can easily install this brand light kit. Having a universal light kit makes your existing ceiling fan permanent and enhances the style of your room.